Hey, what's up? I'm Dr. Josh Satterley. We're here at the Clinic Gym Hybrid Live event here at Parker University. I'm super excited because this weekend, I'm hoping that we can show a bunch of clinicians and future clinicians how to organize their rehab exercise bucket and how to take that, not just provide great care to our patients, but can we provide progressions and regressions in a stepwise pattern and systematically take people from rehab to exercise. If we can do that, we can build one heck of a business we call the Clinic Gym Hybrid, right? People come in for pain, we service them, get them great rehab, and then it leads to exercise that we can sell in that membership model. When we pull that off, it is the best version of chiropractic care, physical therapy, any sort of healthcare that you can think of, because we're really engaging that patient, we're getting better outcomes, we're working less time, and it's a whole lot of fun. So here, this weekend, we're going over Saturday on how to organize your exercise and how to build different progressions and regressions. On Sunday, we're going all over the business concepts and putting it all together. So I'm very excited about what we'll be able to do this weekend here at Parker Fit at Parker University.